Hello everybody, welcome back to the Biker Baker Show. And today we're going to make some little Smokies wrapped in bacon with some brown sugar on them. I use Swerve sugar replacement brown sugar because I like to do low carb. But if you're not on low carb, you can use regular brown sugar, or you can even use barbecue sauce. Or you can use sugar-free barbecue sauce, whatever you prefer. Okay? So a little quick video here. I've got some already done up here. I'm using my cast iron. It's a Wagner, nice little cast iron skillet. That was my mom's great uncle. So this is an oldie but a goodie. So I've cut my bacon into thirds. And I'm using the thin bacon. Some people use toothpicks, like you know. I don't follow their rules. I follow my own. I don't use toothpicks. So I just roll them up and just put them in the pan. You don't need to spray it because the bacon's going to cause enough grease it's not going to stick. You might have a little sticky mess at the end when you're using your brown sugar, but that'll clean up. So you just roll them and put them in a pan. Put the seam side down on your bacon. Put that down like that. It's a hot one here today, 90 degrees. Sun shining, it's beautiful. So wrapping these up. Guys, if there's anything you want to see, just leave a comment down below if you want to see me fix something. I got one more I'm going to squeeze right in there. Alright. I got one wiener left. Okay. So I've got some of this brown sugar replacement here. It's what I'm using today. Mr. Smith said he didn't care if he had any or not. He doesn't like this replacement sugar. But I do. It's pretty sweet though. It doesn't raise your blood sugar. Supposedly. I'm going with it doesn't. Alright, that's all I'm going to put on there. This stuff's really sweet. So I'm going to stick these in the oven at 375 and we'll see how long it takes, okay? Dropping them right in there. Okay, and remember everybody, you could be the sweet owner of this Biker Baker paper towel holder, the one with the gray knob on it, and a whole roll of paper towels. You can't beat that. I'll even throw them in for you, and I'll mail it to you if I have to. So like, comment, subscribe, and share for me, please. Help us grow, and we'll be right back. All right, folks, it's been about 15 minutes, and I've got the little Smokies, bacon wrapped little Smokies in the oven. We're just waiting on the bacon to get down a little bit, so I thought I'd give you a little update while I'm waiting here. They got brown sugar replacement on them, substitute, which I like. I think it makes them sweeter than the regular brown sugar. So we'll give it another 5 or 10 minutes and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. All right, folks, we're back. It's been about 20 minutes and at 375 on my oven. So I'm going to take out the bacon wrapped little Smokies with brown sugar on them, substitute. So here we go. I also made me a little low carb pizza in there too, so that's in there too. All right, look at that. Not that, but look at this. You see them? Them's going to be for my lunch tomorrow. But I'm going to have to eat one today too. Look at that. Now see, they're not going to stick because there's all kinds of bacon grease right down in there in the bottom. take it right out of the pan, see if I can taste this, how hot it is though. No, I can't do it. So, we're going to end this one with like, share, subscribe, and comment, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker Show. Peace out.